These 500 FPS slow-mo shots were filmed on the iPhone 13 Pro. Now the iPhone is only capable of filming at 240 FPS, so in order to achieve these type of results, I used a program called Dane App to digitally boost the frame rate of the video. The Dane App analyzes every frame in a video clip, detects all the objects that are moving around, and then digitally creates new frames to fill in the gaps between the pre-existing frames in that video. So this allows you to create a slow-mo video from something that wasn't filmed in slow-mo, or you can take something that was filmed in slow-mo and make it even slower. The Dane app is completely free, which is really cool, but the one downside is that it only runs on computers with NVIDIA graphics cards. That eliminates all Apple users and a good portion of PC users as well. But if you do have a computer with an NVIDIA graphics card and you want to try out this software for yourself, I'll make sure to leave a link to it in the description below. Go watch some more of my videos right over here, and I'll see you guys really soon in the next video.